AI is everywhere in 2025. From ChatGPT to advanced automation tools, artificial intelligence is transforming industries at lightning speed. Businesses are using AI to write reports, code software, analyze data, and even generate art and music. But the big question that almost every aspiring professional asks is this: will AI replace data analysts? Let's explore this carefully, because the answer isn't as simple as yes or no. First, let's look at what data analysts actually do today. A data analyst's job is not just about numbers. They collect, clean, and organize raw data, transform it into usable formats, and then analyze it to extract insights. They create dashboards, visualizations, and reports that help businesses understand their performance. For example, a data analyst might find out why sales dropped last quarter, which product categories are performing best in a specific region, or how customer behavior is changing over time. The most important part? They don't just crunch numbers, they interpret them in the context of business goals. That context is what makes their role so powerful. Now, let's talk about what AI can do today. Artificial intelligence has become incredibly advanced. We now have AI tools that can automate repetitive tasks like cleaning messy datasets, generating simple reports, and even creating dashboards in seconds. Platforms like AutoML can build predictive models without much human coding. Tools like ChatGPT can summarize datasets and even answer questions in natural language. AI-powered dashboards can instantly highlight key trends, anomalies, or correlations. In fact, some companies are already using AI to generate quick insights directly for managers, skipping the analyst step for very basic reporting. So yes, at first glance, it might look like AI could replace analysts completely. But let's look deeper. Here's the truth: AI will not fully replace data analysts. Why? Because there are some things AI simply cannot do effectively. First, context and business understanding. AI can process massive amounts of data, but it doesn't know why something matters for a specific company. A human analyst knows the company's history, culture, and goals. For example, if sales drop, AI can point out the numbers, but it may not know that a competitor just launched a new product in the same region. Second, critical thinking. Analysts are not just answering what happened, but also what should we do next. AI can suggest patterns, but it cannot think strategically like a human. Third, communication and storytelling. Imagine showing a raw AI-generated dashboard to executives. They might get lost in the numbers. A human analyst takes those insights and tells a clear, compelling story, connecting the dots so decision makers understand what action to take. And finally, ethics and decision making. Data often comes with biases. AI doesn't question those biases, it just works with what it's given. Humans are needed to step in, challenge the results, and ensure fair, responsible use of data. So instead of replacing analysts, AI is transforming the role in 2025. Think of AI as a powerful assistant rather than a competitor. Analysts now spend less time on boring, repetitive work like manual data cleaning. Instead, they can focus on higher-level tasks, strategy, storytelling, visualization, and advising leadership teams. For example, instead of spending hours fixing Excel sheets, an analyst in 2025 might use AI tools to prepare the data instantly, and then spend their energy figuring out how those insights impact the company's future. The new demand is for AI-augmented analysts. These are professionals who not only know SQL, Python, Tableau, or Power BI, but also know how to use AI tools effectively to speed up their workflows. So, will AI replace data analysts? The answer is no. But AI will replace the old way of doing analysis. If you are a data analyst who refuses to learn AI tools, yes, your job could become less relevant. But if you adapt, embrace AI, and learn how to combine technical skills with business problem solving, you will be more valuable than ever. In 2025 and beyond, the winners are not AI or humans alone. The winners are humans who know how to use AI effectively. So if you're building a career in data, here's the takeaway: don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, and let it take over the repetitive tasks. Then double down on the uniquely human skills: critical thinking, communication, storytelling, and ethical decision making. That's the path to becoming an unstoppable data professional in the age of AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more insights into data, AI, and analytics careers. Because the future isn't about AI replacing us, it's about humans and AI working together to achieve more than ever before.